Today's vlog is going to be on these refrigerator shelving. My neighbor's refrigerator quit working, so they let me come here and get the shelves out of it. As you can see, the freezer and the refrigerator. The first thing you want to do is on the inside of the fridge there's a sticker that shows the model number, possibly the serial number, the make, the model, all that good stuff. You want to take a picture of it. Then when you list these on eBay, you want to include that photo with every single one of these. Each piece you list, you want to put that photo with each item. Okay. You want to make sure that you wash these really good. What I usually do is fill a bathtub up and just let them soak overnight and put some bleach in the water. And that's it. And then the next day, take some mean green and just scrub them really good. Set them outside to get some air dried. Freshen them up. They're good to go. So, the first thing you want to do is look at them and see if they're too cracked to sell. I mean, from what I could tell yesterday bringing them home, I didn't see that many cracks hardly at all. As far as parts, what I like to do is break them to parts as much as I can. Of course, this will be a whole part here. What you want to do is find the schematics on the internet. There is a website that I refer to for all of it. Part numbers, most important thing. If you can tell from the sun, I'm trying to sit outside to do this. And I can't see the lens on my camera. You'll see some numbers right here. That's your part number. You want to include this part number on your title. You want to put P and then the pound sign. That'll be part number. And then you put just the top number. Just that this here is like an acronym for what part of the fridge this goes in. Actually, this went in the freezer. So, this here is 3 pieces, 2, let me see, 3 pieces. So I'm going to sell it as a whole piece. But if you want to break it apart, part numbers here for the clear. And then for this part, I just saw it yesterday. Where did it go? Well, I just saw it yesterday. Sometimes they have these things very well. Well, I'm not going to spend half the day looking for it. Moving right along. These are in really good shape. Glass. Here's a big one. These are iffy. Okay, let me show you part numbers here. Alright, and then you've got another number here. Let me see if they're the same thing. P001. Okay, this one's kind of not stamped good, so you want to go with the one under here. See, if you put these type these numbers into the internet and bring up the bottom of the fridge, it'll tell you what this part is called, and then you'll find your schematics. Your schematics is very important when you're dealing with these things here, because you also want to put the name of the actual part in the title. I can't move this very well. Okay, the glass comes out of this. My suggestion is to first research whether the glass sells better with or without the part. Because some people, for example, just want just this here. They don't want the rest of it. So just Google it. Once you find out your schematics and all that, type it in eBay and just see what is sold, what hasn't sold, the price, if it's sold as one piece like this, or individual like the glass, this tray, and then this tray, and see. This glass here is fixed in there. You can't take it out. You don't want to take it out. The drawers, part numbers here. Right there. Okay. Now, these don't sell very good on eBay, but clever thing I'll tell y'all. I have been saving these to put a wire rack shelving in my master bedroom closet. If you ever go to Lowe's or Home Depot and see the closet made stuff, and to do your closet will be about $300, well, I'm getting mine done for free. So, but what I've done is I've found the arms and stuff to mount these with. These will be on like little board shelves to where they just slide out, slide back in. Some of them have the angles on the bases, and I'll be mounting the back of them to a stud, and I'm actually framing the wall out to put these on. So that's a freebie tip. You could also use this in a shop for shelving, or under a bathroom sink or your kitchen sink. I have one of these under my kitchen sink to hang all of my spray bottles on. So it's come in really handy. You could do a utility room, you could do a children's room, a children's closet. These are really handy. My suggestion is, if you can get a hold of old refrigerators, well, not old, but refrigerators that no longer works, that nobody wants, get the shelving. For this money, this here, useful. Lots of opportunity with these parts here. So look, put an ad on Craigslist, say we'll haul away refrigerators for free. Or if you know someone that hauls off the refrigerators, ask them if you can have the shelving out of them. But again, you want to make sure that you get the model number and everything before you take them, because you don't want to have to go into a reverse fashion like I did one time to find out the model number for a fridge. That was murderous. I won't do that again. So do that. I know the guys from Lowe's and I think Home Depot, when they come with your new appliance, they haul your old one off. If you know someone that works for Lowe's or Home Depot, ask them if you can have the shelving, or if you can find a I thought UPS was bringing my safety goggles today. You hear my dog bark. Or if you can find someone that has these refrigerators, do it. There's money to be made. So I hope this helps. Any questions or anything, drop a comment, send us a message. I hope this helps. Again, $400 here alone in parts, and then you've got these free, and these are good quality ones. This isn't your flimsy ones to make shelving out of. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.